Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the exciting world of career growth. Whether you're just starting out, looking for a change, or aiming to climb the ladder, there are fantastic websites out there to help you on your journey. In this video, we'll be counting down the top websites that can supercharge your career. We'll explore what each site offers, from job searching, internship opportunities, free online education, resume-making websites, and interview preparation. So, grab your pen and paper or bookmark this video because you won't want to miss these amazing resources. Now, let's unveil the first website on our list. Top websites for your career growth. Number 1, LinkedIn. Number 2, Glassdoor. Number 3, Naukri. Number 4, Monster. Number 5, Simply Hired. Number 6, CareerCloud. Number 7, FlexJobs. Number 8, CareerBuilder. Number 9, CareerInnerStop. Number 10, Indeed. Top websites for internship opportunities. Number 1, LinkedIn. Number 2, Intershala. Number 3, AngleList. Number 4, Indeed. Number 5, WayUp. Number 6, Handshake. Number 7, Let's Intern. Number 8, Intern World. Number 9, Go Abroad. Number 10, Monster. Top websites for your resume making. 1. Canva. 2. Resume Genius. 3. Zeti. 4. Nova Resume. 5. Resume.com. 6. Visual CV. 7. Enhance CV. 8. Resume.io. 9. My Perfect Resume. 10/CV. 11. Naukri. Thanks for watching this video. That's an amazing resource, but there's more. Coming up, part 2. Hit that subscribe button